In 2015, 11.7% of Filipino children ang sumubok pa lang na mag-vape. And since then, the number has grown alarmingly, with 1 in 7 Filipino children now vaping. Ang trend na ito ay makikita sa maraming bansa gaya na lamang ng United States of America, kung saan ang mga kabataan ay nagiging dual users pa nga ng pareho conventional cigarettes at e-cigarettes. So bakit po ba ito nangyayari? The answer lies in the aggressive marketing strategies of the tobacco industry, which targets us, children and youth, to become potential and replacement smokers. Mula po sa mga samot-saring advertisements, napakaraming flavors, at pagbebenta ng mga produktong ito online, the industry has shown that profit matters more to them than our well-being. Dagdag pa po rito, yung mga non-smokers, including children, continue to be exposed to second-hand smoke in their homes and public places. This is dangerous, as it threatens the health of an entire generation. Kaya naman po, kami sa Child Rights Network are calling on our government to act decisively. Hinihikayat po namin ang Kongreso na amyendahan na ang RA 11900 or vape law to return the regulatory authority over these harmful products to the Food and Drug Administration, strengthen or reiterate the ban on flavors, ipagbawal ang online marketing and sale of vape, and raise the minimum age to purchase them from 18 to 21 at kung pwede pa nga ay 25 years old. Sa mga kabataan po, ang ating tinig ay mahalaga. Maninindigan tayo at humingi ng pananagutan. Magtulungan po tayo upang tiyakin na ang ating kalusugan, kinabukasan at mga karapatan ay protektado. And to the Filipino people, as we approach the 2025 elections, pumili naman po sana tayo ng mga leader na tunay na inuuna ang kapakanan naming mga kabataan at kumikilala sa karapatan ng bawat Pilipino sa highest standard of health. The tobacco industry has had its way for too long. And together, we can end their influence. We can create a safer, healthier, tobacco-free Philippines for our children and the generations to come. Maraming salamat po.